complaint for impeachment ay pinirmahan ng 17 complainants. Ang mga galing sa civil society organizations, galing din sa religious sector, galing din sa ibang grupo. But they are filing, all of these signatories, 17 signatories, are filing this in their personal capacity, even if they are members of various groups or of various party lists. No, I did not sign as a complainant. I'm supporting this move, and at the same time, I was designated by the group as a spokesperson. But there are actually two signatories who are part of the ML, or Mamamayang Liberal, in the same manner that there is a signatory part of Magdalo and a signatory part of Akbayan. And the endorser is Congressman Percy of Akbayan. Under the Constitution, a citizen can actually file an impeachment with a member of the House of Representatives as an endorser. So, hindi namin tinitingnan yung mga ganyan because ayaw nga namin yan na maging, ma-perceive kami as favoring any of the political protagonists now, di ba? Talagang decision po ito ng mga individual na mga nag-file coming from various groups. Ayaw naming kumumpas o sumama sa kung anuman na mga moves nila, yung mga nasa gobyerno ngayon, including the president. We cannot be affected by the desire to really make the vice president accountable, because that is in fact recognized by the Constitution. Kailangan mangibabaw ang batas, mangibabaw ang saligang batas.
Ang Akbayan po ay mag-e-endorso nitong impeachment complaint sa kabila po ng mga balita noong nakaraang linggo na may mga sinabi ang Malacanang at ilang political leaders na huwag daw pong ituloy. Linawin po natin, ang loyalty po ng mga kasama natin na mga civil society leaders ay sa taong bayan. Hindi po madidiktahan ang mga progresibong puwersa na gustong i-hold accountable si Vice President Sara Duterte.
How hopeful are you, sir?
Sa araw na ito, we are here in the House of Representatives bravely supporting the petition of citizens kasi naniniwala tayo na ito ay responsibilidad ng ating pong institusyon. They have to give this complaint a fair chance and a fair day in court. Mahalaga po itong impeachment complaint na ito para simulan na yung totoo na step process towards holding the Vice President accountable. Simple lang naman po ang kailangan natin tandaan. Kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa?
May oras pa po ba? Magkakampanya na rin, sir.
Pag naniniwala po tayo kapag gusto, may paraan. At yung paraan po na yon ay paraan para panagutin ang mga nang-aabuso sa kapangyarihan at ninanakawan ng taong bayan.
The Congress would fail to act on it this year. Are you willing to file it earlier?
Magsisimula na po kasi yung pag-activate ng process sa pag-file natin ngayon. No? And Congress will have to go through the process of referring it to the responsible committee, the Committee on Justice. As to the timeline, we leave it to the leadership of Congress. Pero kalakip nito yung reminder that we are duty-bound in this House of Representatives to give this complaint a fair day in court.
But sir, it's a numbers game pa rin. Numbers game pa rin kasi siya. Ano yung numbers niyo? May numero ba kayo, sir?
Naniniwala tayo na matindi yung merits ng ating impeachment complaint. At naniniwala din tayo dito sa mga kasama natin sa Kongreso, pag nakita nila na malakas itong ating complaint, malakas itong kasong ito, they will support it. I leave it at that muna po. Balik mo na.